Namaste everyone. Today we are going to discuss one of the most fundamental and powerful compounds of Rasa Shastra is a Kajjali. Many people misunderstand mercurial preparations in Ayurveda. Some fear them, some blindly glorify them, but very few truly understand the pharmaceutical intelligence behind them. In this video, we will explain in a clear, structured, academic yet simple way the complete conceptual review of Kajjali, its preparation, properties, Jarana, Murchana, therapeutic significance and clinical relevance. If you are a BMS student, PG scholars, researcher or an Ayurveda enthusiast, this sessions is going to strengthen your conceptual clarity. Let us begin. Introduction. First, let us understand the foundation. Ayurveda is an ancient system of medicine. Traditionally, its origin is linked to Lord Brahma. The objective of Ayurveda is very clear: to maintain the health of the healthy and to cure the disease of the sick. Health depends upon the balance of Tridosh, Saptadhatu, Agni and proper formation and excretion of malas. Within Ayurveda, Rasa Shastra is a specialized branch that deals with metals and minerals, but only after proper purification and processing. Among all its preparation, Kajjali is considered the basic and foundational compounds. It acts both independently and as a base material for many rasayogas. It has action on multiple srotosas. Now, what exactly is Kajjali? Kajjali is prepared by triturating Shuddha Parad, that is purified mercury, with Shuddha Gandhaka, that is purified sulphur. No liquid is added. Continuous grinding is done until the mixture becomes jet black, completely lusterless and extremely fine. Chemically, Kajjali is a black sulphide of mercury, that is AgS. Pharmaceutically, it is classified as Sagandha, that is meaning prepared with sulphur, Niragni means prepared without heat, and categorized under Khalvi Rasayan. Kajjali is not just a black powder. It is described to have an antioxidant activity, antimicrobial action, enzyme stimulation, immunomodulatory effect, sustained drug release properties, better gastrointestinal absorption, possible neurochemical influence, Rusha, that is aphrodisiac property, and Tridosh pacifying action. This shows that Kajjali acts multidimensionally. In history, the medicinal use of Parad and Gandhaka dates back to the Charak and Shushrut period around 10th to 5th century BC. But the elaborate pharmaceutical use of Kajjali is seen during the 8th century AD, especially during the period of Acharya Nagarjuna, who is considered a pioneer of Rasa Shastra. In basic details, Kajjali is also known as Kajjal or Kajjalika. Its chemical symbol is AgS and its chemical name is black sulphide of mercury. Forms of AgS in Ayurveda. In Ayurveda, mercury sulphide exists in different forms. Black AgS is also called Kajjali, Rasa Parpati also black AgS, Hingul and Rasa Sindur is a red AgS. The difference lies in pharmaceutical process. Adding dhatu into Parada. When metals are added into Parada, that is Swarna and Rajat are added as a fine leaves. Nag and Vanga are first melted and then triturated. Loha and Tamra are added in bhasma form. Here is an important rule. First Parad and Dhatu form an amalgam. Only after that Gandhaka is added in it. Preparation of Kajjali. The preparation steps are simple but critical. Take Shuddha Parad and Shuddha Gandhaka in a Khalva Yantra. Triturate continuously. No liquid is added. Grinding continuous until Nischandratva, that is complete absence of shine, is achieved. If bhavna is mentioned, add the prescribed liquid and triturate it further. The final product is a smooth, jet black, lusterless powder. It's called as a Kajjali. How do we know Kajjali is proper prepared? 5 classical signs is here. Krishna, that is jet black color. Shlashnatva, that is smooth texture. Sukshmatva, that is extremely fine. Rekhapurnatva, settled into the fine lines of palm. Nischandratva, no shining mercury particles visible. If these are present, Kajjali is Siddha. Now let us understand Jarana. Jarana means digestion. In this process, mercury is heated with sulphur. The aim is potentiation. Mercury digests metal and minerals but return to its original form. The potency depends on sulphur proportion. Here is some Gandhak when added in Parada, then efficacy is increased. That is, Samagun Gandhak Jarit Parad have properties like general disease relief, in Dviguna major disease relief, in Trigun Jarit Parad is a virility, Chaturgun Gandhak Jarit Parad is an properties as intellect and memories, Panchaguna Jarit Gandhak in Parada chronic disease relief, and Shadgun Balijarit Parad is an extraordinary therapeutic action. More sulphur incorporation means higher potentiation of the Parada. Then Murchana concept. Here Murchana means activation. It imparts Vyadhinashak gun, disease curing properties to mercury. It can be Sagandha, that is with sulphur, or Nirgandha, means without sulphur. Here is types include in Murchana, Antardhum, Bahirdhum, Nirdhum. Then Kajjali as a represent Sagandha Niragni Murchana, means Niragni means no heat, continuous grinding, first stage of Parad processing. It acts as the base for the Kupipakva Rasayan, Parpatikalpa and Pottalikalpa. Role of sulphur. Sulphur plays a detoxifying role. It converts toxic metal oxide into comparatively stable sulphides. Sulphides are less toxic than oxides. Even substances like Rason and Kanji, which contain sulphur compound, reduce mercurial toxicity. Jarana versus Murchana. In simple word, Jarana is a digestion and potentiation. Murchana is activation and detoxification. Jarana requires heat. Murchana may or may not require heat. Kajjali is a Sagandha Niragni Murchana. In discussion points, Kajjali is suitable for internal use. It is not a bhasma but a compound form. It provides sustained drug release, enhanced herbal viability, has longer half-life compared to herbal powder alone. Mercury sulphide shows GI antimicrobial action, dermatoprotective properties, antifungal and antiseptic actions. In conclusion, Kajjali is the fundamental compound of Rasa Shastra. It is prepared from Parad and Gandhak, chemically stable as HGS. Jarana and Murchana enhance its potency and safety. It serves as the foundation for many Rasashastriya formulations. So, today we understood that Kajjali is not just mercury and sulphur mixed together. It is a carefully engineered pharmaceutical compound developed through classical knowledge. Rasashastra is not primitive chemistry, it is sophisticated metallopharmaceutical science. But understanding it requires scientific thinking, critical analysis, and proper training. If this video helped you understand Kajjali clearly, please like, share, and subscribe. Share this knowledge with Ayurveda students, PG scholars, and researchers. Let us spread authentic, concept based Ayurveda rooted in tradition, supported by reasoning. Thank you for watching. Namaste.